Today I discuss about verbs. मैं verbs के बारे में आपको बता रही हूँ. There are stative verbs and action verbs. Now I am telling to you the difference between stative or action verbs. Now I explain to you that there are the difference between action verb and stative verbs. Both are verbs, but there are difference. Action verbs gives the action, but stative not. Means stative verbs do not give the action. All verbs in English are classified as either stative or action verbs. सभी verbs जो इंग्लिश में है, जितनी भी वर्ब्स हैं उनको हम स्टेटिव में और एक्शन वर्ब में डिवाइड करते हैं, क्लासिफाइड करते हैं और इन्हें डायनामिक वर्ब्स भी कहते हैं. एक्शन वर्ब्स डिस्क्राइब एक्शंस. जो एक्शन वर्ब्स है वो एक्शंस को ही डिस्क्राइब करती है, बताती है. थिंग्स वी डू, जो हम करते हैं, और थिंग्स दैट हैपन, और जो घटित होता है. स्टेटिव वर्ब्स रेफर टू द वे थिंग्स आर, देयर अपीयरेंसेस, state of being, smell, etc. The most important difference between stative and action verbs is that action verbs can be used in continuous tenses. Action verbs को continuous tenses में use करते हैं. And stative verbs cannot be used in continuous tenses. और stative verbs को कभी भी continuous tense में use नहीं करते. Now this is the difference, but another difference is that action verbs deal with action, but stative verbs do not deal with action. It is the main difference. And how can we use? Action verbs is used in continuous tenses, but stative verbs cannot be used in continuous tense. Now another thing about the stative verbs. I give the example for the stative verbs. The flowers smell lovely. Not those flowers are smelling lovely. She heard him speak in Seattle yesterday afternoon. Not she. Was he hearing him speak in Seattle yesterday afternoon? They all love the concert tomorrow evening. Means there is no any action. Okay, flowers smell lovely. What is the action here? But flowers smell. That is the stative. Now common stative verbs. There are many more action verbs than stative verbs. Here is a list of some the most common stative verbs. B. He is from Dallas, TX in the southwest. Hit. Now, अब hint. How can you show hint? She hints ironing clothes. Hint is the stative verb, but doesn't want to wear them wrinkled. Like, I like spending time with my friend. Like is the stative verb. Like, how can you give the action with like? Hint, love. She loves her children just as any mother loves her children. Now, loves. How can you give the action with the love? There is no action now. And now another. Need. I am afraid I do not need a new pair of shoes. Need. Need is the stative verb, but there is no any action. Belong. Do these keys belongs to you? In this way, belong is a stative verb, but there is no action. Now the difference between the stative and action.